Hello guys, welcome to Annie School of Music and Worship Keys. Now, today I've got an interesting video on how to play a piano from start. Now, before I proceed, you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button for tutorials every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Now on this PSR 6600, as you can see, we have got three black notes, three, two, three black notes, two black notes, three black notes, two black notes, three black notes, two, three. Two black notes, three black notes, two black notes, three black notes, two black notes, three black notes, two black notes, three, two, three. On the upper side we have the black notes, below the white notes. Now, below every two black notes, that is C, key C. So that is C. Two black notes, that is C below it. Two, that is C. Now another C, C. Two, that is key C. Remember, here we use letters and numbers. That's from letter C to B. So we have got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, back to C. Now, as I said earlier, below every two black notes, that is letter C. So this is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, back to C. Again, so C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. In that way. Now, we can also use numbers instead of letters. That is from number 1 to 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to 1. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to 1. Now, how are we going to form our chords? Very simple. You start from the thumb finger, pressing your 1. First finger, second finger to press your 2, third finger to press your 3, fourth finger to press your 4, then 5. That way. Now, we have got something very important to note. Your thumb finger, if it presses 1, your left hand should also press 1. That is your bass. So, now you derive your bass from your thumb. My right hand has pressed 1. Also, my left hand should press 1. So you find another one. So, 1, try that number line. We move to 2. My left hand has pressed 2. Also, your right hand should press 2. So, 2. We move to 3. 3. Using that number line. So, 3. That way. We move to 4. 4. My thumb finger is directing my bass. So, we move to 5. 5. That way. 6. Yeah. Now let's play the finger number line from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move to 2. So 2. That way. Move to 3. That way. Then reverse. 4. That way. Reverse. 5. Now let's try going backwards from where it started. So we are at 4 to 3 to 2. We are moving backwards, back to 1. remember we're in the key of C. Now let's try forming chords in the key of C. So this is our C and this is our 1. You jump one note that way. You also jump one note. That is our 1 in the key of C. That is our first chord. 1. Now we move to 2. So this is our 1. 2. That is 2. Also you jump one note that way. Now we'll do the same to 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that is how we play the 3. 4. Remember your left hand follows your thumb finger. So 5, 6, 7, back to 1. Now I want us to play the 1, 4 and 5 movement. So in the key of C, this is our 1. Yeah. Our first chord, that is our 1. So 1. Let's find out, that is our 1. Now we move to the 4. That is the 4. 4. That way, back to 1. Then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, that way. We repeat it together. So 1, 4, 1, 5. That way. We can also try the 6, 4, 1, 5 movement. So that is our 6. 6. 6, as you can see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. We move to the 1. 1. Then 5. 5. Again. 6. Yeah. 4. 1. 5. Yeah. 6. 4. 1. 5. You got me clear? Another thing to note, above every white note is a sharp. That is from letter C to letter B. So above every white note is a sharp. So if this is our A, B, C, that is C sharp, D, D sharp, yeah, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B, C, that way. Now, hope you got to understand all the keys. Keep practicing the finger number line for you to be perfect. Now I want us to move to the key of F sharp. So if this is our F, above it, that is F sharp. F sharp. F, F sharp. Now in the key of F sharp, that is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. I want us to combine both the right and the left hand in the key of F sharp. Yeah. So that is our 1. This is how we play the 1, 2,